Right, a couple of months ago we had a problem with this lawn, and it was with people driving across the edge all through winter. Every man and the dog decided to turn my lawn into a road. We had vans, we had big truck fellas, we had cars, you name it, they drove across. What we did was we sought your help. You came up with loads of different solutions, such as go with a moat, go with a pond, put a sentry gun right in the middle, but the most popular solution was to go with the big monster rocks. And it's these fellas here, it's these fellas that have meant that people haven't been able to easily drive across the edge of this lawn. And I say they haven't been able to easily drive across because we still have had a few people attempt to. As you might be able to see, we've got a bit of a crumblage on the go, a bit of scrapage on the go as well, a bit more crumblage there, a bit more crumble, bit of apple crumble, even to the point where over there we've got a bit of scrapage there where these fellas have been on quite the adventure. 3 times now the rocks have been hit, but that means we've had 3 times where they've actually helped to protect the lawn. It has been like bowling out here at the front. The first time it was a spare, the second time it was a spare, the third and final time 100% a strike. Some of these rocks have seen this road more than I have in the past few weeks. And I have to admit as well that they actually look pretty good. I was sceptical at first, thinking that they look a bit of an eyesore out at the front, but on a day like today, we've got nice blue skies, the grass is looking a nice dark shade of green, you've got these nice little white rocks out at the front, just adds a nice bit of contrast to the front. And even overnight when you're driving down, there's very little light out here, but these fellas, they glow, they're almost luminous, nice little cat's eyes knocking about. And what's amazing as well is these patches here have started to recover. This was just mud a few weeks ago. This edge looked a bit nasty. We had a patch here that was just mud as well, and you can see things are starting to get better. They're starting to recover, and the lawn is getting back to its former glory. And I think in a couple of weeks' time, it'll almost be impossible to tell that anyone even tried to use this lawn as a road. So nice one. It was you guys that came up with this solution. It was you guys that helped to save this lawn. Maybe one day we'll go with the moat. Maybe one day we'll go with the pond. Who knows? But for today, all we know is we've got a boss lawn protected by these fellas over there. So yeah, if you commented, if you were one of like 1,500 people who left a comment on one of the original videos posted about this problem, cheers for doing so. And so now that the lawn is protected, we can start actually thinking about the grass itself. If you want to follow along with any lawn tip videos, how to get an absolute boss lawn in the easiest way, in the cheapest possible way, then stick around on this channel. Subscribe if you haven't already, because 2026 is going to be full of boss lawn care videos. So yeah, nice one for watching, subscribe, and cheers. Pierre just hit me rocks. He's actually just hit the rocks. Hit it live. He just hit the rocks live. Oh, you couldn't write it. You literally couldn't write it. I'm stood here. Outside my house, just hit the rocks. Oh, anyway, never mind. That's life, isn't it?